So let's look at some of the settings inbuilt within the iPad that can help students, particularly learning support students, but also for our younger students in our school. So if we go to settings, and then we go down to general and scroll down to accessibility. So when we do our accessibility, you'll see a few little things there. We've got the potential, the third one down there is called large text. And we've actually got an option of when any text comes up on our iPad that we can change it. So we can actually make it bigger for those students that are struggling reading the size of the text. If I go back, we can also zoom in, we can do voiceovers. The one that I think is really valuable is this one here. It's called the Speak selection, where we can allow students to highlight text from web pages, from documents, and actually it gives us an option of speaking. So if I look here, we can increase our speaking rate to slow or fast, and also with highlighted words or not. And I'll give a demonstration of that in a minute. So there are two little things. We can also do things like guided access, where we can actually allow the teacher to keep students within an app. But if I just look at that Speak selection, if I get out of this now and actually go to, let me have a look, if I go to a web page of some sort, so here we've just got a web page, if I hold it down and actually highlight some text, you can see at the top it allows me to press on the Speak, and the Speak actually says the words and also highlights them as they go. Now it's not coming out because I'm going through a screen recording here, but you can see that it's highlighting each word and the iPad is actually speaking back to the student. Fantastic for things like students who struggle with literacy and really do need to do some research and they can have it spoken to them, but also students that are writing stories to have it read back to them, and it often picks up on spelling and grammatical mistakes as well. So just a couple of things there in the iPad that are built in that you may not know about, that you might like to adjust according to the students that you have in the class. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.